now we came here at TJP. Tjp'S. And we're going to spray paint. Painting is a wholesome job. Now we are going to take this car off the trailer. It has a show this weekend and we have to fix what happened. This game that we do, we love so much. It was fun. If you were there, you will know. We busy. We busy. We are chair. We busy. We are chair. We busy. We are chair. We're not standara. Wait, one to Larry. Couple little more like Jenny video. Ikisan, we look at Bravo Key. What's our living lady? Oh, what's our boat? Again. More now, Adala. Hey, those people are waking there. Trailer drivers, they are putting this car inside. A good trailer driver, they will just put it easily. We are enjoying this side, no problem. I know you guys like to be me. Someone asked me, how do I do it? How do I get into all these Spincars? I was once young, like, I didn't know how it was done. Painting is going on here, so that I've shown you, and now we're going to offload this one. After we offload it, we want to bring it to the position it was in. We're gonna fix this. Mowe ona wathala mo ababelejiwe watshara ke motho wa tswa di fasa gole ga kae wena mo motho mo ya aswen eh Hey, Here's another project. A cliff-fed project. But here is a crescendo, yes. Oh. Bro, trailer go file yona kana wa itšea ka ntlong. Whoa. Habe mo wa tala. O bonyo go to Tjp'S. Oh. Ke bona list se e ba ke di boy. Yeah. Mo we ona wa tala. Basadi ba mo. We wanna go. Oh, manual.
Quarter inch.
Ega mo busigudu wena. Ke go betše. Ntlong e nsegile bo. Bona di zwe. Bona. Ntlong e ngo ba di. Keng.
Ba bolozile yo kitima dias. Ba bana nya le thobo kitima ke. Every time re check around. Sanjo mo ngabela dilo no ro go.
Mara. Mana inchi gumu. Bona kuchula gumu hapo.
Wacha khale ke tsoka ya ka.
Khoejo. Dingalo. So I'm stepping on the brake. So I'm stepping on the brake so that when we remove it from the trailer, it doesn't hit, just gets offloaded, right? Because we're not gonna remove it in a driving manner. This guy's not gonna be driving. So I'm on the brakes. He's gonna drive and this one is gonna be left behind because we have tied the car onto that one. Hope it makes sense. Yeah. Mahurumej. Bolo ila bolo yela. Banchia. Salo munyane chencha pelo yaka ese Tjp'S nigga. Waji. Sanji ke mrao nyana.
Yamara. Wali sabri. Ita marago. I go to Gobble.
Kilis Tjp'S. Nangas. No. I'm off the trailer, that's like that. What's funny? This car is having another show, so it needs to be ready for the next show. You get? So yeah, I'm not feeling scared. What's gonna happen? Yeah, man. Look at what my neighbor is driving. My neighbor is driving something. Look at what my neighbor is driving. Good morning, my neighbor. What? I got it off. Hey, bro, you feel a conquest. You see? Off. It's off. So this is what we did. We did tie it to this one so it doesn't move. And then it got off the trailer. You see? Oh. Kole kamu khoi ke timang uno kwa batho ba bolela ba re hey hey eno boo ore hello hey wow wow ke oh oh wala wala asali ba mo abaya peleji Oscar Rusa mo wala wala marawana. Yeah, now we got a panel beat it, bring it back to normal. It's gonna be cool by the weekend. Are they spray painting in there? Yeah. Hey, they're spraying. I don't wanna be silver. I'm not going in. We're going to work. We're going to It's about to rain. My sunroof, my sunroof. Yeah, let's go home. Hey, go fish out. Nkupi like ready for camera, but kids don't do that. He's not okay. Nkupi like ready for camera. So I'm told to go camera of man again. What's about Valley? Saribamo, our village. Guys, you can see the rods are big. Yo, roads. Hey.